Overlays can dramatically improve depth when they blend sharply but naturally with the base image. Today, how to create precise texture overlays. Begin by opening Adobe Photoshop and creating a canvas around 3600 by 2600 pixels at 300 dpi. Import your base photograph and place the texture image above it as a new layer. Resize the texture using Free Transform so it covers the entire canvas. Change the blend mode of the texture layer to overlay or soft light depending on how strong you want the effect to appear. Duplicate the texture layer and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius around